I bought this thermostat housing. I loved the feel of it. It's actually a very good system as far as I'm concerned, in compared to the cheap one that Ford gives you that's made of plastic. But this is pointing the wrong way. It's not as simple as just take this and move it this way, because the holes won't line up when you try. So it was definitely the wrong part. I bought one that points the correct direction, and I'm leaving an Amazon link to it. Even with the new one, there's an issue, and I'll show you what it is. I got to change the camera though. This is sticking up just a little higher, meaning it's like going up like that. For it to match this, that angle needs to be down a little bit like this. And what that does is it makes it to where this top right here runs into the bottom of the intake manifold. So when you go to put on this radiator hose and the clamp, believe it or not, the clamp itself can be really hard too, because it's such a tight fit. You have to really lube this up super good. You have to lube the clamp up really good, the inside of the hose, the outside of the hose, and that should be done with some kind of silicone lubricant, not something like Vaseline. Any petroleum products over time are hard on hoses. These 3 bolts that hold this in, they need to be left as loose as possible so this can rock back and forth as you go to put the hose on. Leaving really loose like this, so when you go to put on this hose, you can actually get it on, because otherwise it's impossible. The metal one that I'm leaving an Amazon affiliate link to points the correct direction, but still has this going up high, so he's harder to install than the original. I would have left Amazon links for one of these plastic ones, but I'm not positive if they don't do the same thing, so I didn't want to leave a link to something I haven't tried. The ones that are in here do open at the correct temperature, but I didn't know that. So I went ahead and ordered one that was supposed to be for my truck. I ran it through the Amazon filter, does it fit my truck? And it said yes, it does. And it does physically fit in perfectly. But the problem is it opens up like 20 degrees cooler. The thermostat that was in here about 4 months after I put it in, my temperature on warm days would barely move up, meaning the gauge. On cold days, it would always stay down cold, so I knew this thermostat must be stuck open. So I went ahead and bought a Ford Motorcraft original thermostat. So I'm also leaving an Amazon link for a genuine Ford thermostat. This hose right here that goes between the thermostat housing and the water pump, Ford calls a water bypass hose. I will be leaving an Amazon affiliate link for it, because I spent a good long time just trying to pry it off, because it was on there for like 20 years. Finally, I just took a knife and cut it in half to where I could pull everything out. Then it was easy to get out. I'm not leaving a link for the radiator hose or this hose right here. They're usually in good shape and they're easy to get to, so I figured I'm not going to leave links for those, just the ones that are really needed, like this one. My local automotive store charged way more for these metal thermostat housings than Amazon. But just to recap, whether you buy through Amazon or somewhere else, make sure this points the correct direction. Make sure the thermostat that is inside opens at 92 degrees Celsius or 198 Fahrenheit. I highly recommend buying one of these hoses. It's just so much easier to cut it than to deal with it. Amazon affiliate links are posted down below, but remember, they're for a 2005 Ford Explorer Sport Trac XLT truck. The top thumbnail will take you to a video showing you how to just replace the thermostat. The bottom one shows you how to replace the entire thermostat housing. This is Ron from Fixing Stuff in Black and White, signing off.